This is my New York City dream that I had. I think it was in late 2012, spring of 2013. I dreamed that I was in New York City and I was floating in the water in a white gown. And I knew in the dream that there had been some sort of impact, but I didn't know what happened. But I knew that because I was covered in lavender oil, the radiation would not hurt me. I was bobbing up and down in the water, and I saw people on a debris, like I don't know if it was like a rooftop or it was something that they were floating on. I didn't have anything. I was in the water, but because I was covered with lavender oil, I knew, again, the radiation would not hurt me. And I was going towards them, and I woke up. That was all of the dream. It was like a flash, but it's something that I have not forgotten, and it stayed with me, so felt like I was supposed to share this. Shalom.